Alright, so we just checked out of our hotel, Villa Barranco. We had wanted a late checkout, but they didn't have anything available, so we have to check out. We've got a cooking class here in about an hour, so we're going to go run some errands, head to our cooking class, and then we're going to wander around the rest of Barranco and Miraflores. Hopefully I'll be able to fly my drone a little bit today. As you can probably tell, it's overcast, so it is what it is. Still be nice to get some aerial footage of some sort, but we're going to go run our errands and yeah, go learn to make some Peruvian food. While we're waiting for our cooking class to start, we're going to talk a little bit about our hotel. We had a really good breakfast this morning. It was a buffet style. They provided all sorts of different fruit juices, cereal. They had coffee. They had like espresso machines, so you could make whatever kind of coffee you wanted, whether you wanted just espresso or regular coffee or cappuccinos, macchiatos, whatever. They had it all there. And then they had an a la carte menu that you could order: pancakes, waffles, eggs, multiple different styles, really whatever you want, and that was all included in the price of the room. And now the cooking class that we're going to, we're going to learn to make a couple different dishes. We're going to learn to make lomo saltado, ceviche, and then there's another starter and a dessert, and I can't remember the names of those, but I will let you know after the class, because I'll know after the class. And we're going to make a pisco sour, so we'll learn how to make a real one. That'll be an exciting time for us, I hope. Always a good time at a cooking class. We've never done one for lunch. We're usually at a dinner, so we'll see how this goes. We started off the class learning to make a pisco sour, which is the national drink of Peru, or if nothing else, at least the most popular. Generally, like most cocktails, pisco sours are made in individual servings, but because of the size of the group and for ease of making multiple drinks at the same time, we used a batch method, which didn't affect the flavor in the least. Making tausa, which is a potato paste. We're going to measure our salt here. It's very powdery salt. Some limes, some pepper, So we're going to take the rest of this potato and we're going to just pack it in on top. We'll see. It'll be okay. Not too much. And then so now we learn to make the ceviche. Alright, so we're constructing our ceviche here. 2 tablespoons limes. Putting our ceviche together. Throwing it in salt and lime juice. We're going to taste test this and see
And then that tastes like Peruvian ceviche. You see, much milder. So now, first
Alright, so we got the ceviche that we made, and then we're working on our lomo saltado.
we use again the papa amarilla.
Store-bought bacon or French fries. I should note here that lomo saltado is the national dish of Peru. Much like the pisco sour that we made earlier, all of the dishes that we made in this class are traditional Peruvian foods that you'll see at restaurants, on the street, or in a home. We're going to pack our rice into our rice pack. sashimi. So very proud of it. That was really good.
Yeah. And right. That's it for. Shake it. And put it down. Lay it in the oil. Break. And there is it.
We finished off the meal making picarones, which are a type of fried donut, typically found on the street, but still delicious even when made in the kitchen. Alright, so we just finished our cooking class. It was actually pretty good. We learned to make causa, ceviche, lomo saltado, and picarones, which are like little fried donuts, which are really, really good. And the format of the class was really nice because they would have you make a dish and then you went and ate that dish. Sometimes the classes that we go to, like you prepare everything and then you sit down and eat it as a meal. But this way you kind of got to taste everything as you went. So that took up about 3.5 hours of our day. Now we just got to find something to do until about 8 o'clock tonight until we can go to the airport. We're going to kind of walk back down towards the beach, towards the Malecon, wander around there. I'm hoping to get to fly the drone a little bit. There's Alex. Have a blast. Still not feeling the best. Hoping I'll fly the drone a little bit on the beach. And then I don't know what we'll do. We'll probably find some place to sit and have a few drinks before we head to the airport. But we'll see. Who knows? It's a long afternoon.
Yeah.
Whoever booked this didn't do a very good job planning.